Guys, we filled the breakout targets of our long pattern, and at the same time it is possible that we maybe see a new all-time high of the Bitcoin course this week. So basically this is also very interesting. Furthermore, we have interesting on-chain data because the volume of the spot ETFs is very high, and also big entities are buying Bitcoin as much as never before. So guys, watch until the end, and if you like our content, leave a like and a subscription, and I would say have fun with the video.
Bitcoin is nearing its all-time highs, and we are still seeing incredible data coming from the spot ETF. It's Monday and the flow data will be released tomorrow, so we don't have the flow data at the moment, but we can see the price volume of the Bitcoin spot ETFs, and the IBIT Trust, which is the spot ETF of BlackRock, already made $1 billion in trading in the afternoon hours of American time. So we are still seeing large quantities being traded over the spot ETF of BlackRock. We also see the ProShares Bitcoin ETF, the Grayscale ETF, Fidelity ETF. So we still have incredible large trading volumes, which in my opinion means that we probably are seeing still big inflows in the spot ETFs for Bitcoin, which in my opinion is one of the biggest reasons we are seeing this big rally at the moment. But there are also other things we need to talk about, because if we have a look at the total OTC desk balance, this means how much Bitcoin are on typical counters where you can buy Bitcoin in large quantities. We are not talking about retail investors, we are talking about the spot ETFs and the big exchanges selling and buying Bitcoin. And we can clearly see that the balance is steadily going to the downside, which means there are less and less Bitcoins that can be bought. And if this balance further decreases, the price of Bitcoin will probably still rise to the upside, because we are seeing this incredible buying power from the Wall Street in the last few weeks, and probably also today on this Monday. And to now come to the last on-chain data for today, and we still don't see the whales selling. If we have a look on the number of entities with over 1k Bitcoin, we can clearly see that this number rose to the upside. So we are seeing the whales still buying Bitcoin, which a lot of accumulated Bitcoin in the last decade already are not willing to sell their Bitcoin to this incredibly historical high prices. We haven't seen many trading days at this high price levels for Bitcoin, and we are having this large demand coming in from the spot ETF for sure. We have to wait on the flow data tomorrow, but it still looks like that we got these large inflows steadily coming, and this for us means we have no new supply. The whales are even stacking up more, generating further demand, and we are seeing a steadily decline of available Bitcoins to buy. So if these metrics don't change, we will just probably continue this rally to the upside, and this is the reason why it's so important at the moment to have a look on these on-chain data, because these are the main reasons we are seeing this insane pumps to the upside at the moment. And if Wall Street won't stop buying Bitcoin and the whales are not willing to sell at these high prices, we'll probably just go more to the upside, maybe even breaking Bitcoin's all-time high this week. And this would be an absolute incredible event if this would even happen before the halving we are seeing in 40 days. So Bitcoin is really looking unbelievable at the moment, and we should definitely have a look in the charts. Where are the main resistance area where we could maybe see little consolidations coming in the next few hours? So I'll give on to Timo.
As usually, we are starting the chart analysis on the weekly time frame. Plus 22% we have seen with the weekly candle close yesterday on Sunday night. One of the strongest weekly candles in month. The last time we have seen such a strong weekly candle was in the middle of March, where we had plus 26% in this week. BlackRock, the biggest asset manager worldwide, launched their Bitcoin spot ETF approval application at the SEC in the US. But if we want to talk about the chances or the odds for a new all-time high in this week, we want to take a closer look at the daily time frame, because I think the question is answered on the daily and hourly time frame. First of all, in the last few videos we talked about this smaller bull flag on the daily time frame. We nearly perfectly filled the price target from this bull track. If we measure the pole, we had a price target of around 65,000 US dollars. Currently we are trading around 66,500 US dollars. For me, this is a really positive sign. In this week we saw again a really bullish momentum, and for now a new all-time high. There is nothing in this way. The strong weekly candle from last week is for sure in connection with the massive inflows we have seen on the Bitcoin spot ETFs, 1.7 net inflows and also 22 billion US dollar trading volume in 1 week. These are insane values for the Bitcoin spot ETF, and that's why we have seen this massive explosion on the Bitcoin price. Also, we have some really interesting chart patterns on the 4-hourly time frame, like we can see here, this smaller symmetrical triangle. Liam yesterday talked about an ascending triangle. In my eyes, it's not many difference between those two price, or better say chart patterns. I think we perfectly also reached this price target of around 66,000 US dollars. Now it's getting really interesting if we can turn the next 4-hourly candle also green. With this, we had 8 4-hourly candles in a row which are positive. This is a really strong sign for the bulls, and I think if we can see a 4-hourly candle close above 67,000 US dollars, there is nothing in this way for the Bitcoin price to reach a new all-time high. Yeah, for sure, we will see maybe another smaller red 4-hourly candle before we could reach this all-time high, but I think it's really high chance that we could see this all-time high again, or better say this all-time high already in the next few days before the end of the week. So that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Tell me in the comments, what do you think when we will see the new all-time high on the Bitcoin price? I'm really excited about your comments. We will see us tomorrow in the next videos. Bye.